Good morning. I am finally moving with our last chapter, that is chapter number 11, area and perimeter. Now another word that is mensuration. Right? And બીજા કયા નામે ઓળખાય છે? Mensuration. Means what? Right? તમે ડેલીના ફિલ્ડ વર્કમાં બધા જોવ છો કે જમીનનું લેવેજ થાય છે. It totally depends on this quantity. First they will find the perimeter. If you want to fence something, then you have to find perimeter, and finally we find the cost. છેલ્લે શું શોધીએ છે? એનું cost શોધીએ છે. Right? That deals with mensuration. કે કેટલું costing થશે. Finally, if I want to solve the field, then I will go with its area, and according to our rate, I will get the actual amount of that particular land. તેની વાત કરે છે. Right? So for that we have to remember certain things. The first one, perimeter is the actual distance around a closed figure. The figure must be closed, and it is the actual distance. If I want to find the perimeter of this board, for example, then what I have to do? I have to add all the sides, because you can see that the board is totally closed from all the direction. Right? So what I have to do? I have to add all the sides. બધી sides ને પ્લસ કરી દેમ તો મને શું મળી જશે? Perimeter. In short, if I want to give definition of perimeter, so what will be definition? The sum of all each sides. See here word all. Also indicate કરે છે you have to take each and every side. Right? But your figure must be closed. That is the conditions. Right? Now here, perimeter of regular polygon. We have already studied what about polygon. Triangle, square, rectangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and so on. આપણે બધું એને શીખી ગયા છે. Right? So how to find perimeter? So again, sum of all eight sides. And here we are talking about regular, means each side is of equal length. Regular ની વાત કરું છું તો એની બધી જ સાઈડ કેવી હશે? Equal length. તો અહીંયા કીધું છે is equal to number of side multiplied by length of one side, because all sides are of equal length. Right? Getting? Third one, we are very familiar since we are studying from fourth standard, that perimeter of square, that is 4 times sides, or you can write it as L plus L plus L plus L. Right? ને હવે બી આપણે શીખી ગયા છે. Right? The sum of all eight sides. And what is side actually? It is the length of the square. Getting me? Sure. Perimeter of triangle. Now we are talking about triangle. Right? Triangle ABC. If I want to find perimeter of triangle ABC, then what I have to do? I have to add each and every side. Side 1, side 2, side 3. So you can say that AB plus BC plus CA. Sum of all sides of triangle. And triangle what it be? ABCB હોય, PQRB હોય, J હોય તે. પણ મારે શું યાદ રાખવાનું છે? બાઉન્ડરી લાઈનનો એડિશન. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Again you are very familiar about the shape of rectangle. બરાબર ને? This is your length, breadth, breadth. So it is 2 times length plus breadth. Length is repeating how many times? 2 times. Breadth is repeating how many times? 2 times. So taking 2 outside, 2 ને common લઈ લીધું. તો કોણ બચી ગયું? L plus B. Or તમને ન યાદ રહે, so this is also formula L plus B plus L plus B. Alternative is there. સમજ પડે છે? That is 2 times L plus B. Got it? Sure. Now from sixth one we are talking about area. You can see that the board is hanged on the wall. Can you see the wall? Can you see that part? You can see the remaining wall. Can you see the wall behind that board? No. Means what? This board has occupied some space. Board is occupied કરી દીધું, કોઈક space રોકી દીધી. બરાબર? So we can say that space occupied by any object. We are not talking about rectangle. We are not talking about square. We are not talking about triangle. We are not talking about circle. Anything, anything. Right? If I draw one big dot, you can see that I can't see the white portion. Means what? This blue color has occupied some space on the board. Right? So space occupied by any object, it's called area of that object. Are you getting me? અહીંયા કોણે સ્પેસ રોકી છે? બોર્ડે. તો મને એરિયા કોનો મળશે? બોર્ડનો મળશે. નોટબુકનો નહીં, ટેક્સ્ટબુકનો નહીં. સમજ પડે છે શું કહે છે તે? એટલે જે ઓબ્જેક્ટ હશે મને તેનો જ એરિયા મળશે. હસબન્ડ ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So we are talking about area. So this part, dear students, this part, the shaded part, that determines the area. From here to here, breadth is same. From here to here, length is same. So that's why it is length multiplied by breadth. समझ पड़े छे? So area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. Now area of square. You can be very familiar about the word square. Square means what? The shape that has all the sides of equal length, right? And we are going to find the area, means the shaded part. So that will be L multiplied by L. R length થી અહીંયા સુધી બધી length same. ઉપરથી નીચે સુધી બી બધી length same. એ તો એક જાતનું શું છે? લેપિંગ છે, ઓવરલેપિંગ છે. તો આનું એક સ્ક્વેર ફિગર, right? So area of square, that is length multiplied by length, that is L multiplied by L. Are you getting? Right? હવે આ જ concept mind માં રાખીને sum solve કરવાનો છે. સમજ પડે છે? આ જ concept mind માં રાખીને શું કરવાનું છે? Sum solve કરવાનો છે. So let's begin with our exercise. Exercise 1.1. The length and the breadth of rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. And second thing, the cost of land. If 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000. Right? Where is this sum? So what we are talking about? We are talking about rectangular piece of land. So from the statement, what we can say that length, that is L, is equal to 500 meter. Breadth B, that is equal to 300 meter. And here you can see that units are same. Right? The first checking about units. Unit must be same. So here you can say units are same. Right? So what we have to find? Its area. So area of rectangular length is equal to L multiplied by B. We are talking about area, right? That is equal to, what is L? 500 meter multiplied by, what is breadth? 300 meter. 5 3s are
50.
1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Meter square. समझ पड़े छे? So what will be the area? The area will be 1,50,000 meter square. कौन area? Rectangular length. Now what we have to find? We have to find the cost. So let's find the costing. So for costing, the information is given to you that 1 meter square, the costing will be rupees 10,000. For 1 meter square, the costing will be 10,000. So what is our area? So 1,50,000 meter square will be how much? So that is cross multiplication. 1,50,000 multiplied by 10,000. So that is 150,000 na baki na 1 2 3 4 5 rupees. So તમને ખબર પડી જશે કેટલાની લેન્ડ છે. બરાબર, મિલિયન્સ માં પૂછી જશે. 15 crores, 1500 crores, whatever. આઈડિયા આવી ગયો? આઈડિયા આવી ગયો કેવી રીતે સમ કરવાનો છે તે? Next sum. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. See here, perimeter છે the simple unit આપ્યું છે meter. Okay? Because we are talking about the boundary line. But we have to find area. And to find area of square, what is required? Length. Length is not there. Right? But it is hidden in the question. Question માં સંતાયેલું છે. કેવી રીતે? So here one thing is given to you. Perimeter is 320 meter. Here what is given to you? Perimeter of square part is equal to 320 meter. It's already given to you, which implies, now let's form an equation. What is perimeter of square part? What is perimeter of square part? 320. What is perimeter of square part? 4 multiplied by L. 4 multiplied by L, which is same as 320 meter. Perimeter આપી દીધું છે. So let's use the formula for perimeter. So from this I can easily get the length. મને length easily મળી જશે. So which implies length is equal to 320 meter. Here you can see that 4 is in the form of multiplication. On another side it will be in the form of division. Right? 4 ones are 4 80s. So which implies length is equal to 80 meter. Length મળી ગઈ. શું શોધવાનું? Area. So how we can find? So now area of square part. So that is L multiplied by L. What is L? 80 meter multiplied by 80 meter. 8 8s are 64. And how many 0? 2. Meter.
Meter square.
મળી ગયું. So area of square part will be 6400 meter square. સમજ પડે છે? રાઈટ? સમજ એવો છે જે આપ્યું છે તે જ લઈને ચાલવા. ક્લિયર થાય છે? Find the breadth of the rectangular form. Plot. What we have to find? Breadth of what? Rectangular plot. If its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter, right? And finally again also find its perimeter. So let's write whatever is given to us. So what we have to find? Breadth. Breadth b is equal to question mark, that we have to find. What is given to you? Length is given to you. ચાલ length આપી છે. શું એ રેક્ટેંગલ ની જ length છે? Yes. એ સાની length છે? રેક્ટેંગલ ની. કીધું જ છે ને if it's એટલે કોણ? આ પોતે જ. Area is this and length is that. So that will be 22 meter. Also area of rectangular plot is equal to 440 meter square. But actually what is area of rectangular plot according to our formula? So that will be L multiplied by B, which is equal to 440 meter square. Idea આવે? આવા સમ આવે જ્યાં તમને એરિયા આપી દીધું હોય, પેરીમીટર આપી દીધું હોય, at that time we are going to form an equations. ત્યાં શું બનાવી દેવાનું આપણે? Equations. So which implies what is length?
22 meter.
22 meter multiplied by breadth is equal to 440 meter square. So which implies breadth is equal to 440 meter square upon 22 meter. तो जो 1 मीटर तो कैंसिल થઈ ગયો, 1 मीटर तो कैंसिल થઈ ગયો, 22 1s are 22 2s are અને પેલો 0. So which imply what is breadth? Breadth is equal to 20 meter. Breadth શોધાઈ ગયું. What we have to find?
Perimeter.
सुनना perimeter of rectangular plot. So that is equal to what is perimeter of rectangle? 2 times L plus B. So that is 2 times what is L? 22 meter plus what is breadth? 20 meter. So that is 2 times 20 plus 22. That is 42 meter. So that is equal to 84 meter. So the perimeter will be 84 meter. समझ पड़े છે કે લાઈક સ્ટ્રેટ ફોરવર્ડ સમ છે એ ખાલી ચેપ્ટર એક્સરસાઇઝ 11.1 માટે છે. પછી fourth one, totally reverse of third one. Third no reverse. The perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Now what is given to you? Perimeter. Right? If its length with perimeter, one more information is given to you, that is about length. Find its breadth and also find the area. રાઈટ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ માં જો થર્ડ માં એરિયા આપ્યો તો તેમાંથી બ્રેથ શોધી લાવ્યા ને પછી પેરીમીટર શોધ્યું. હવે અહીંયા ઊંધું છે તો which information is there? Let's write first length. L, that is equal to 35 centimeter. Second, breadth B is equal to, we have to find, and what is given to you?
Perimeter.
Perimeter of
Rectangular sheet.
is equal to
100 centimeter.
what is perimeter? 2
2
times L plus B is equal to
100 centimeter.
here you can see that 2 is in the form of multiplication. On another side
Division.
chalo direct laghu chu, be careful. Length 35, breadth we have to find is equal to 100 upon 2. કેટલા આઈડિયા આવ્યો? ચાલો what is 100 upon 2? આમાં જ કેન્સલેશન કરી લઉં છું. 2 ones are 2, 50s are, so that is 50 centimeter. So which imply 35 plus B is equal to 50 centimeter. Transfer करो. So which imply B is equal to 50 minus 35. So which imply B is equal to
15.
sure 15. Unit sama chalta tha?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. In this chapter unit is compulsory. Half of marks cut thi jase. Be careful. So now what we have to find finally? Area. So area of
Rectangular sheet.
rectangular sheet is equal to L multiplied by B. What is L? 35 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter. So 35 multiplied by 15, 0, 5, 3, 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. So 5, 2, carry on 1, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 525 centimeter, 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 centimeter. Right? Are you getting that? समझ पट्टी है?
Yes.
Fine. So what we have to